If you're a business owner looking to boost growth, you've probably heard about Skool. But does it live up to the hype? In this video, we're diving into how to use Skool for business growth and if it's really worth your time. Stick around, because at the end of this video, I'll be showing you an exclusive offer, plus alternatives that might actually be a better fit for your business. First off, let's talk about what Skool is. It's an all-in-one platform designed to help creators and entrepreneurs scale their businesses. It combines online courses, community forums, and coaching programs all in one place. But can it actually deliver on the promise of growth? Let's break it down. Next thing, user interface. Skool is clean, simple, and very easy to navigate. If you're someone who doesn't want to waste time figuring out how to use software, Skool's interface is definitely a plus. Everything is organized into courses, discussions, and numbers, making it fairly intuitive. But here's the thing, simplicity can also limit customization. If you're looking for a highly tailored experience or specific design flexibility, Skool might feel restrictive. The third thing you need to consider is the community aspect. One of Skool's strongest features is its built-in community functionality. You can engage with your audience, host discussions, and get real-time feedback. This is great for businesses that want to build relationships with customers or offer personalized support. However, if your business relies heavily on customer interaction beyond just discussions, Skool may not provide the depth of tools you need for deeper engagement. Next up is scalability. Skool does have some impressive growth potential for small to medium-sized businesses, but if you're a larger enterprise, it can quickly feel limiting. For example, while Skool offers memberships, you might outgrow its capabilities when it comes to more advanced automations or integrations with other business tools. For businesses planning for rapid growth, you'll want to think ahead before locking yourself into one platform. The fifth thing to note is pricing. Skool has an affordable pricing model for smaller businesses and creators, but again, as your business grows, you might find yourself needing more features that Skool charges extra for. This can quickly add up, and at that point, you might question whether the cost justifies what you're getting. Lastly, let's talk about alternatives. While Skool does have its perks, I want to be transparent. There are alternatives that are specifically built for scaling businesses, offering a lot more customization, integrations, and automation that Skool lacks. These platforms can take your business to the next level and might be a better long-term solution. Now, here's the exciting part. Through the link in the description, you'll get access to an exclusive and extended free trial of Skool. But wait, that's not all. I've also included a few alternatives with free trials that could actually offer more growth potential for your business. These platforms are better suited for different goals, especially if you're looking to scale quickly and need more advanced tools. You'll be able to test them out for free and see what works best for you. So, if you're ready to level up your business growth, check out the link in the description for your exclusive offers.